Come on, Minnie.
You're smelling.
Minnie.
I'm smelling, Mom. You guys smell stuff. Oh, there goes that guy.
Go play. Come on, Minnie. Ava.
You gotta smell everything first.
Say hey, honey.
What are you doing?
Video.
Always. That matches the time. Any of the other crimes that are happening, which I'm sure it's going to end up matching. He's going to be sticking around.
Gotcha, and the other guy, the white guy, is the,
Detective.
okay.
What he used to be, I'm pretty sure.
Gotcha.
At the same place, but he moved away.
My feet, man.
Alright,
Sorry.
this was
No, it's driving me crazy.
what, the feet?
Minnie.
Where's that sword, man?